If you want to log in on iWant on your smart TV, it's very easy. Also open the iWant application. They'll tell you to log in or sign up, where you'll be given a QR code or a code down here, as you can see, which says confirm this code on your phone or tablet. Now let me show you. If you do have a phone, now on your phone here, make sure you download the iWant app. You can go to the Play Store and make sure you download the iWant application, which look like this. Then open the iWant application. Make sure you log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Now, after logging to the iWant app on your phone, select here on my account, and then you'll see here Activate TV. So click on Activate TV. Now it will tell you enter the code displayed on your TV. Now you can see the code has been displayed there. So I'm going to enter the code, which is XSWQUZ. Now click proceed. And then the Solid TV login is successful. So just select OK. And you can see now I'm logged into the iWant application on my smart TV.